Hello everyone, today we will discuss how to use Google Form for making a question paper for the month of May as a PT1. Okay, so first we discuss that how to create. Before creating the Google Form, we need an account like Gmail account. If you have your account, so you can create your form easily with the help of Google. If you don't have any your account, first you have to create your account. So as you know, I have my account over the Google. So first we will just log in to the Google how to make the form. So I'm showing you. First you have to start the web browser. Any kind of the web browser is here like the Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Opera, Internet Explorer and so on. Now after that, opening of the web browser, you will type gmail.com if you have any account or don't have. Both cases you have to log in the gmail.com with the help of email service provider. Okay, so now what will we do here? We will just select our existing account from the list here if it's showing here. After that, we will put my password. Then we press the enter key from the keyboard to log in. If it is met with the existing record, it will be login successfully over the screen with default form, that is inbox. Now this is my Gmail account. After that, what will we do for creating the Google form? Let's see, you are seeing on the right hand side over the screen 9 dots are there. Then click over here, Google app. It is called the Google app. You have to click here now. It shows the list. Then you have to scroll it and goes to the form. You have to wait. Now after that, what will we do? We have some form here. Now we are going to create a new form for the exam. So we will just click on the blank option. This is the blank form. Now after that, it shows something new now. So before doing that, we will make some settings of the form here with the help of the setting option, because we are going to create our exams paper here. So that's why we have to make the like quiz form. So we have to go for the settings, select quiz, that is enable, that help you to mark the answers over the question paper for your help. If you not click over here now, you will just make the form and get the answers from the student, then your answers will not evaluated by the Google default. Okay, so that's why we have used quizzes to check my answers by the Google automatically and make the result easily. Release the result? No, later manual review. हमें कोई result release नहीं करना है. Missed question you can say. Correct answer we would not like to show over the here. Then click on save button. See, this is the email. Yeah, it is needed for the student. They enter their email account here. You want to change the setting, go for that and remove collect emails. Okay. Presentation, show link to submit another response, shuffle the questions will be there, progress bar show there. You can use like that as and save it. Now after that, what will we do? You have to type your paper name here, which subject is there, question paper is there, you can write. Suppose I am writing here computer PT1 class 8 session 2021-22. This is the first section. You can write the same as now. When you click over the head, it will become automatically. Otherwise you can change it like Mount Litera G School Mathura online PT1 exam. You can mention here. Okay. After that, you will mention your maximum hours like time 1 hour, then class again 8th computer PT1. Maximum marks you can put here 20. Okay, after it, in this section we have seen the untitled questions. So that is what question will be there. Student's name, their roll number you can put here. Roll number, yes, student's name. As you wish, you can type here. I am just putting directly student's name because people having confused about their roll number. That's why I am taking the student's name. Choose here like as a short answer. It shows the text box to write the answer here. It is compulsory field, so you have to require is here now. Then make the copy from this now. Second, class and section, same as a short answers and required. Then again make the copy for the roll number if you need it, but it is not compulsory. I'm just off the compulsory options from here. Okay, after that, what will we do? It is the first page, your first section for the student. They will fill their required informations. Okay, after that, what will we do? We have make the another section with the help of plus sign. We have to add with the help of the equal sign is there. Add section. Okay, I'm removing this part. How to remove? Just right click over here. Yeah, you can go for the box, delete. Okay, so now use the equal sign. Second section is there now. Put your message. Computer PT1, class 8, session 2021-22 for the student knowledge again. Okay, description, note, all questions are compulsory. Same as now, you can put here message. Note, fill your details. Note, first fill your candidate will fill following details. Following ask details. Okay, so now we have to make the note here. All questions are compulsory. Now after that, we will just make the questions here. Add question with the plus sign. You can put your first question like question number 1. If your numbering is there or jumbling is there, the number will be switched up and down. To better this, we just remove this and write the questions. For example, LEN stands for then we will put the answers. Low area network, add option again, local area network, then again click on the add options for the next, large area network, then none of the above. Let's see. This question only for the 1 marks. You have to put your marks here. Click on the answer key. What is the exact answers you can put? I will select like this, local area network, and done it. What will happen? Point you can increase here 1 marks only. Then done it. So this options will help you. I'm telling again. I have clicked on the done again. Answer key is there. You have to choose your exact answer is there when the students are putting their answer during the exam time, it will be compared automatically by the Google form. The student had filled the exact answer or wrong answer. Then will Google Play Roll to exactly count the marks. So that helps us to prepare the result as earliest. So we have to click over the right answer here and increase the marks as per your requirement, like 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a 1 marks question. I am putting 1. Then click on done button. Question has been done. After that, you want to go for the another question. Make the copy of same file is there with the help of this button. Duplicate. Question number 2. You can change it like whatever you question is regarding the chapters. You can take suppose server is a web server that accept request of like that. Okay, put the answers like clients, okay, it is going to the auto save mode right now. Then click on clients, computer, machine, like that, super machine, a super computer. Okay, none of the above. The exact answer is client because the computer just accept only a client answer. So go for the answer key again, switch your answers like this, clients, and click on the done button. Okay, same as now. You can put the another one, 3, 4, 5, 6. Counting going to the form. Let's see, 6 is there. फॉर्म के लिए हमारी काउंटिंग यहाँ चल रही है. 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so it means you can create number of questions as per your requirement. We have a 20 marks question, so we have to design 20 questions. It is up to you, like the questions will be a quiz basis. It may be a 1-1 answer, so you can design here. Mostly quiz are there, so please put objective type question are there. Okay, so you have to take the multiple choice question. Okay, after that what will happen, you have to go for the last link and go for the add collaborators. You have to apply for the collaborators IDs there. We have to share about the form, mljds@gmail.com. What will happen? Our notifications information will goes to the inbox of the MLJS exam cell ID, and the exam cell will access the form directly from your login. So now we will just click over the message like computer PT1 class 8 2021-22. Whatever you want to type here, you can type here. Okay, click on the send button. The editing of the same form will be available on the collaborators. Okay, now after completing your paper, you have to just see the first look of your paper with the help of this eye, that is called a preview. Let's see. Okay, like roll number 1, class and section like 8, student name sample, then next. Okay, now question is there. Server is a web client, that is we will use the client here now. Server is a web server that accept the request. Again client I am taking, again client I am taking, client, 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 same question we have copied here, so that's why I'm selecting the clients, local area network. Clients, after complete the paper, student just directly click on the submit. Then what will happen? Response has been submitted to the Google server. After that, what will we do? We have to just close this now. For example, we can share with the help of send. Before it, now I'm sending the meaning of the send here. So you want to send the email link, you can send. You can invite someone now. You can invite here now. Okay. Yeah, you can just generate the link. Okay, तो आप लिंक भी ऐड कर सकते हो in a small form. So now we have filled the answers of this paper. You will get the response here. Response. What is the result out of that? 9 points are there because total 10 marks question is there. We have put the 9 answers. You want to see the sheets? Click on this DSV, CSV file, not DSV. Sorry for that. This is the CSV file. You have to click here. Is just generate the result here. Create it. Let's see the result here of your students. How many students have got the exact marks here. Timestamp, current date, scoring out of 9, student name, class and section, and the answers are there. So you are able to see the following things with the help of Google. So let's have fun with the Google form and make the our school exams as soon as earlier. Thank you for watching it. It's too easy. If you have any query or any questions in your mind, you can directly upload the message on my WhatsApp number and you can directly contact to me. Thank you.